with the blessings of God. I request my friends to lead us in the prayer. Namo Namo Sarveshwara, Namo Namo Krupasagara, Adiyu Antyavu Neeve Deva, Jyotiyu Bhagyavu Neeva. Dear Principal, dear teachers and my dear friends, we the first standard students extended heartfelt welcome to all. Please encourage us, enjoy the program. Next, my friends are here with an inspiring message. Let's welcome them with a big round of applause.